Welcome to Mystic Divine of 2020. My name is Sonia. Thank you so much for checking in. This is a Capricorn energy reading. Let's get started right away, Capricorns. Let's see how you're doing in your connection within yourself and within your person. Let's see, Capricorns. Okay, let's take a look here. Okay, your person is looking at you from afar, watching you, recognizing what you mean to him and how passionate he is towards you. He wants this new beginning. He's working in building a stable foundation for himself, a foundation that he can come and offer you. Because you're also focusing in your foundation. Your person is working on being more truthful. And to come and speak to you about his emotions. And some addictions I'm getting. Addictions that he gave in to avoid the truth of how he feels about this connection. And to avoid also to get out of his comfort zone and cut out situations that are too close to him, too familiar, too comfortable to be in, even though they're not serving him any good. But he's recognizing now that it's time to cut out and release these situations, because now he's more connected within his heart space than ever before and working on following through. To come and give you some emotional communication and what he truly wants and feels and where he has truly been, where he's been focused in. But he's worried whether you will take this offer, this new beginning. At this time, you're focusing in you. You're focusing in being in your truth and going towards building your empire. By being in your truth and building for yourself a stable foundation and taking action. You're working hard and taking action on what can help you get out of this codependency on others, and building for yourself. You're wanting this new beginning with your person, but you're not really focused on your person at the moment. Hence why your person is feeling this connection more than ever before. and is giving him the strength to fully be in his truth and make a right decision for himself, for what he wants and desires, which is fulfillment. So your person is having some worry. Okay, you might be going through some anxiety and lacking trust. Okay, when you purchase any of the programs that I have, the major programs, I bundle in the anxiety and confidence program. I will also bundle in the trust audio. Or you can even purchase the mini programs, which are anxiety and confidence, fear, trust. Those are all mini audios that can help you understand. Also, the 5D channeled message is very helpful in understanding your connection. You're moving forward, but you're not fully going within the inner work. You're not revisiting and transmuting. You're not revisiting your inner child and reparenting your inner child to be able to recognize the negativity from your upbringing that has kept you emotionally unavailable in the past or now in the present even. There's still some things that you need to look in deeper so that you can fully understand the purpose of your person not coming towards you, and understand yourself too with decisions that you need to make that you're avoiding to take action in. Due to this void and lack of trust within yourself of achieving this fulfillment that you're seeking. At the moment, you want this stability in the physical plane by being in your truth of following through for your wants and desires. It's very important that you align within fully with the alchemical elements, which means thoughts, emotions, and actions. To embody the release of codependency and expectations, and being vulnerable and having trust in the connection, having trust in your path. Okay, now let's get a message from your person to see, from the aliens. Let's see what they have to say in regards to this reading for Capricorn. Okay, 11 means path. 11 means you and your person need to be on the correct path. Start or focus on mission program on Twin Flame community website. Starseed Lightworker Twin Flame community's website is down in my description box. Okay, you're here as a twin flame to be in the correct path. When you follow through your path, your person will follow. Root, Saturn, family, social belongings, and safety and security. Okay, it's those rooted beliefs that often keep people stuck in situations that don't serve them. Throat, Venus, self-expression, choice, follow your dreams, faith, trust, and life. Okay, being in your truth, having self-expression, and choosing your path and following your dreams will give you that trust that you're lacking at the moment in regards your path and your connection. Now let's see what message wants to come through from your person. I fear you will reject me. I regret everything that happened. I struggle to open up. You are the first person that has shown me what real love feels like. I fear you will reject the real me. So your person is fearing this rejection. It's important that you fully open up to being your truth. Okay, you already know that your person is your person. You feel it in your heart space. When you have doubt, it's important that you go into your heart space to recognize the connection. So I hope this reading served you well. Thank you so much for checking in. I highly suggest to go into my description box and look at the programs and invest in yourself so that you can fully be aligned with them and be in the correct path as a twin flame. See you next time.